Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Vamsi Reddy. Today in this video I am going to discuss about the best websites for the free datasets for data science. Why data science? What is the use of datasets? When you are going to do a project on machine learning or deep learning, anything unrelated to data science, you want a dataset which is already survived some information. Like when you compare it to, there is a lot of dataset. If you want to calculate the percentage of future, like if you want to detect the fraud detection of your news, spam email, credit card detection, like that, you want to predict more things. So that's why we are using the datasets. Dataset is a very important. There is a different types of datasets. Some datasets is good, some datasets are not survived, some datasets are contain null values, missing values. So we want to clear all the values, all the problems. So at first we want to get the dataset. So that now go into the video. What are the websites, best websites? I will show you. The dataset is used for everyone. At first 538 it is the best website at top first, which is interacting with newspapers and sports sites. It is mostly containing of newspapers and sports sites that comes to incredible data visualization. You want to visualize more data, you want to tell them storytelling by using the visualization of data. This website is best, very best for those who want to visualize the data sets as they like. So I prefer you that you want to go this website. Okay, and the next one is Kaggle. Kaggle have tons of data that is open to the public and allow the users of platforms to share the code, so you can learn the best practice within the data space. It gives basically Kaggle has one of the best data sets, which where we can get the good data sets that can help to develop ourselves. We can post our code in that data in the Kaggle under the data set. That can we see someone who can learn the data code for the data set, who is a beginners. They also learn the codes, how to write the projects, how to do the projects, like that, everything. Kaggle is the best thing to show our what our skills are there, how can we work on under the projects, how can we use that data set. We can use the different types of data sets. We can use the different types of methods for the data set. So that Kaggle is the best place to show your skills on the dataset. Okay, and the next one is third one, Google public datasets. It is presented by the Google. Okay, it is published by the Google. Google listed out all the datasets of one page. Google has a cloud hosting services called GCP, Google Cloud Platform, and you can queries using the tools called BigQuery to explore the datasets. You all get the datasets from the Google public datasets from the cloud-based services for cloud services. And if you have any queries using the tools of BigQueries to explore these datasets. Okay, why I am pressing to say you that datasets are very important. If you do any projects on data science, you need a datasets. Okay, I hope you have understood about this video. If you have liked this video, please like, subscribe and share with your friends who know about the data science, who are going to start our data science. I'm giving the lectures on related data science. Okay friends, bye. I hope you have understood. Please like, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates about the data science. Bye.